Hi guys, how to get voice chat on Roblox. Now, open the Roblox app, select More, and open Settings. Or, if you are on the website, just click the gear icon. Pick the right method for your device so you don't get lost. Click on Account Info to access your personal profile details. This is where the age verification process begins, and it's the most skipped step by accident. Click Continue with Selfie or Verify with an ID. Allow camera access, center your face in the circle, and follow the prompts to estimate your age as 13 or older. Here is the secret. Good lighting and a straight face make this work on the first try. Go back to the main settings menu, select Privacy and Content Restrictions, and open the communication settings. Keep watching because the next step is where most people accidentally stop too early. Turn on the Experience Chat option, then go back and click Voice Data Usage and turn this on too. Finally, load into a game that supports voice chat, allow microphone access, and click the microphone button at the top to unmute. That's it. You are now talking in Roblox.